Welcome back, people. So we are now at the next stage of the DIY electric bike kit. So I've got everything connected pretty much. So I put the bag back on with the controller in it. Let me bend down here so that way you can see. So I've got the controller in the bag that come with the kit. This bag I bought separate, which is a battery bag I bought off where did I buy that? AliExpress. I'll probably leave a link in the description below in case you want to get the same. So my battery's in, is zipped up. I'm going to zip up this side as well. Oh, let's move the camera up so you can see. I'm going to zip that up. I'm going to attach this Velcro as well. The good thing is because this battery bag is a good size, I'm able to buy exactly the same battery and put it on the other side. So if my battery dies, I could just swap it out and change it over, which I think I might end up doing at some point. Alright, need to stand up, I can't see it. So this is just a little bit of Velcro, easy done. I've got to clip that cable tie there, so let me quickly do that, because that's sticking out, looks a bit messy. From over this side, let me pull that cable through, just snip it off. There we go. Perfect. That fits in all nice. There, obviously, I've got a few wires hanging out of the bag. I'm going to fix that up in a minute. First, I need to do this back wire because I ended up taking it off. So let's get a few more cable ties, put those on. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And whenever you have a problem with your e-bike or electric scooter build or anything like that, let me know in comments below and I'll try my best to try and help you guys. And make sure you have that notification bell hit, so that way when I'm uploading more videos of this, you ain't going to miss out. If you want to support the channel a little bit more as well, we now have memberships. The link will be in the description below. If not, by hitting that subscribe button. And if you are able to share the content, please do. It definitely helps me grow as a content creator. Okay, there's that one. I'll put another one there. I put a few around here. I'm probably going to put a bit of electrical tape around as well, actually. So let me move that one down a little bit. I'm going to put a bit of electrical tape just around the connector there. Just to try and keep everything as much waterproof as I can. Okay, another cable tie. Want everything nice and tight to the bike so nothing's hanging, nothing's getting loose. Okay, there we go. Then we can just snip these off. Want it in close as I can, making sure I'm not catching the wire. Come on, can't get it. There we go. Not touching the wire. No. Okay, snip these ones off at the back. I've had really good fun building this, I'm going to be honest. It's been, yeah, it has really been good. And if you want to see the whole entire build, I've obviously did an unboxing video of it. And I did do part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So, yeah, that will be in a playlist under as e-bikes and electric scooters, or electric scooters and e-bikes, something like that. It'd be in my playlist, so that way you can find it easier. Let's just tidy it up. Keep on snipping off these end bits of the cable ties. I'm always going to carry some cable ties with me as well, because they always come in very handy, especially for the electric bike stuff. There we go. Snip this one up here as well. There we go, that's a bit more tidy. Okay, so I'm going to get a little bit of electrical tape, just run across the connector, so it keeps it waterproof and it'll also help keep it together as well. So 2 for 1 deal. There we go. Doesn't look too bad. I could have used red tape there, but I think it would have stood out too much. So this is just installation electrical wire tape, if you're wondering what this is. Okay, there's plenty on there. It's going to keep that nice and tight. Then we'll just snap it off so it goes around on the inside. There we go, that's that sorted. Okay, so now we got to tidy up these parts and move more of them into this bag, because there's way too much wire out for my liking. So I'm just going to push it all in there. There we go, that looks a bit more tidy, and then we can zip that up. Okay, that wire's a little bit on the short side. Wow, we really did have to put that close to it. I knew we would have to, but not a very long cable, this wire from the motor. Let me see if I can try. I can't really pull it now, can I? Because I've already put that tape and stuff on. I think I'm going to have to undo it, and oh no, bubbles. All right, I'm just going to cut through the tape, just because I want it as much into the bag as I can. As I've said before, I make these mistakes so that way you guys don't have to. Just score across there. There we go. Gets it off quicker. Yeah, nice. Alright, hopefully I ain't done the cable ties too tight for me not to be able to move the wire. No, I ain't. That's alright. That's literally just about right. I'm going to pull that cable tie a little bit tight there, just to keep that wire in place, because that cable tie is a little bit short. Couldn't reach it enough. This one as well, give this one a little bit of a pull. There we go. Now I've got a bit more room this side, which I'm then able to hopefully put more of it into the bag. Okay, let's see up here. Not really. Cannot really get it much more than that, so the bag's going to be left open a tiny bit. I knew the bag was going to be left open anyway, because of course I'm got loads of wires hanging out, so I knew it was going to be hanging out a bit. Just want as much of it covered as I possibly can though. Okay, that's the end of that tape. Don't worry though, we've got plenty more. This is it, installation tape. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm making this video, and then I'll make another video of the final parts, which will be putting the throttle on. The throttle, and what else do I need to do? The throttle and the display. Yeah, that's the last things left. And then this bike is ready to take outside for the first time. Oh yeah, no, actually I've got to put the pass assist on as well. The pass sensor. I don't know if I'm going to put that on. I don't really know if I want it to be just throttle only or whether I want it to be pedal assist. So I haven't quite made that decision just yet. So I'm not sure. I guess you're going to find out in the future videos what I do. I really don't know whether to have pass or throttle. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind. Okay, there's plenty of tape on there. That's going to keep that nice and secure and waterproof. Just want to put a little bit back here as well, not too much, just a little bit on the back there, just so that way that stays all nice and snug. And again, there is a part of the connector of the wire there as well, so That's also another reason why I want a bit of tape back there. Okay, there we go. All right, so I got to get the that's my screwdriver. Yeah, that's looking quite neat. That does look quite neat. Okay, so I got to get this grip off, so I'm going to do that now. Let's put a screwdriver under it. Bit of, oh well, wrong way. Bit of the old good deodorant, always helps get it moving. Let me stick that can in my pocket for a minute so I can adjust the angle of the camera a bit more. There we go. All right. Need a bit more under there if I can. Get the screwdriver a bit further back. Got a good bit of links in there. And we'll start moving slowly. So I've got to take this off. I think I might need to take this bar off as well for my display to go on there. Not quite sure just as of yet. We'll have to wait and see. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now I've got that moving a little bit. I'm going to grab my grips. Take off the old bit of tape. Still in the process of fixing my brother's scooter. Still haven't quite done that just yet. He did some serious damage to it. I'll probably make a video on it. Okay, keep twisting it slowly and eventually it will come off. I've really got to sort that back brake out, because when I'm outside and I'm riding, that back disc brake is going to be horrible squeaky. Alright, screwdriver under again. Try and push it down as much as I can without trying to split the grip. I do have spare grips, but I'd rather keep the ones that I've already got. I'm all out of links. I'm all out of links. Alright. That should be enough now to finish it off. Hopefully. We will see. Just keep twisting. See, if I normally wasn't putting the grip back on, I'd just stick a screwdriver through, pierce it, rip it off, or get some grips on it this way, rip it off, or even a hacksaw, cut it off. There's loads of ways to get them off, but I want this grip to go back on, so I'm trying to be careful. Okay, let me see if I can just pull. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Right, so there's the grip off. Just sit that on there for a second. The display, which is somewhere around, where did I put it? Over there. Okay. Right, so for this, I'm not really bothered about the wiring so much at the minute. I just want to see if that's going to fit there. So I'm going to quickly do that now. Might as well add it into this one. If I can try and find, with the camera, the right size Allen key. That one's too small. Or is it? No, it isn't. Okay. Take that screw out. Don't worry, I put it in my pocket so I don't lose it. take that screw off as well. Okay, stick the Allen key in my pocket. So this part here that turns it on, I'm going to have that sitting there because I've got a little bit of space. And then if I can, I want that there in the center. Then the throttle over here. That's the plan. Don't always go to plan though. Right, let's put that bit of rubber on there. This bit of rubber over here. I really don't think it is going to work because I've got this big thing in the way. But as I said, I will end up moving it. I think I'm going to have to move it. Okay, that's one side. Oh, didn't sound good. I got it on the wrong way. I'm glad I noticed that now. No, I'm going to have to unscrew that. Alright, I'm going to do that for the next video, so keep an eye out. We're going to connect the display and the throttle. And then maybe the pass assist, I'm not sure on that. And then we can ready to take it out for a ride. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Subscribe for the next video. Keep an eye out. Please share the content if you're able to. And we catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I am out.